Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons. Today we have, or I guess I should say I have, a Bibbidi Bobbidi Box.
So if you are new, we have recently become Bibbidi Bobbidi Box brand reps.
Yay! And we are so excited. We have been subscribed to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes for a while now, and we absolutely love this company. We cannot be any more excited to be brand reps for this company. So now that we are brand reps, we each get our own box. I know you guys always say, Garrett never gets anything in our Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. Well, guess what, guys? He gets his own box.
It's sitting over here.
Yes. So in this video, we're gonna open my box, which is a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. And then do you wanna show your box? Just a teaser. Garrett has a different box.
It's heavy. It's real dense. Teaser.
He got a Wizard's Vault.
So if you're Harry, we're gonna do some cross-platform Harry Potter Disney World stuff.
He is so excited because you are a huge Harry Potter fan and I'm not. So he's excited to open that. That'll be in the next video. You'll have to stay tuned for that. But today, we have a Bibbidi Bobbidi box. So if you're unfamiliar with Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, it is a Disney subscription service and it is completely customized to your preferences, which is absolutely amazing. Before we get started, if you would like to subscribe to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes and try it out, they have a ton of different box tiers. The tier that I will be opening is the Ultimate Magic Box, which retails for $119 a month, but they have a lot of tiers that are less than that. This is actually the top tier. If you want to try Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, you can use promo code The Leffersons and get $7 off your first box.
This is your show.
Okay.
Do you want me to hold it while you open it?
It's just so beautiful. I'm just so excited. Ultimate magic all for me. Like, this is going to be the ultimate magic right now. Okay.
She's just loving this.
I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna open it up and yes, this is so pretty. Okay, they've been doing these postcards now and it says, if you can dream it, you can do it. And it has all sorts of park icons on there. I love it, so pretty. And the spoiler card, which has Sorcerer Mickey on there, but we're not gonna do that yet. I gotta see what's in this box. Okay, Garrett, you can show your face.
Okay, I was just waiting. This is your show. I'm
just so excited.
I'm just like the hand model.
Okay, what's inside? Everyone wants to know
What's inside? Don't get the foofies everywhere.
Sorry, okay, there's foofies.
Well, that's a big one.
I see something big.
Oh, you're picking that up.
I'm sorry, I put it on the ground. I see something really big right now and I don't want to look at what it is, but it is a red box, which means it is a Jim Shore figurine.
Here, let me open it.
I'm so excited. We're just starting off with a bang. We're starting off with a Jim Shore. Why not?
I peeked because it's not for me.
I did like totally update my preferences now that Garrett's not on it too.
Like,
Garrett cut it for me. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is the February box, just so we're clear. I know it's March now, but this is the February box. And it's so perfect because it's for Valentine's Day. I'm putting this up right now. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, look at this.
That's cute.
Oh my goodness.
It is entitled Handmade Valentines.
So you have Winnie the Pooh and Piglet right here, and they're holding like hearts that they cut out. You can see there's scissors. And this reminds me so much of like my class too, because like I'm a kindergarten teacher and all we do is like arts and crafts a lot. So this just kind of reminds me of everything in life. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this.
That's good. That's a good one.
This is so cute. And of course there's like little details. I love Jim Shore and all their details. There's a little tulip on Piglet. Oh my gosh. And here's the back. This is adorable. Okay, this is the perfect start. I'm so excited.
That's cute.
We're just gonna put it. Moving on. What else is in this box of goodies? I see something. I see something. Oh, okay. So this is a basin soap. Oh, this is fun.
We always talk about going to Basin, and the last time we were there, we actually went.
Yes.
And it was nifty.
Yes, we actually wanted to buy soap, but we don't have like a big bathtub. I want to get those bath bombs, but we don't have a bathtub in our apartment. But this actually bar of soap is going to be perfect. It is just a plain old bar of soap, and it's got little Mickeys in there.
Is it a smelly?
Stars. Oh, it does kind of smell like cherry.
We can look it up.
We'll have to look it up, but I think it's a cherry sort of smell. Oh, because it looks like a cherry tree.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, that's so cute. And okay, so on the back, if you get a Bibbidi Bobbidi box, and if they give you something that is a Disney Parks exclusive, they will put this little sticker on here. That just means that they literally got it from the Disney Parks. Like, this is from Downtown Disney. Oh, I love that.
At the Basin store, these come in these great big bricks. And then they cut them up crossways to get these little slices. So it's cool because they're selling the little slices of the bricks on top of the actual big brick. It's crazy cool.
And if you want to buy the big brick, I'm sure you could, like if you really want that much soap. Okay, moving on. What else is in this pouch? I see something beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at what it is! Oh my goodness, okay.
That's okay.
I think another great thing about Bibbidi Bobbidi is that you can go on and they have a wish list that you can go on and like actually request items. And I'm pretty sure I requested this, and that might be the last thing in this box because I think this is pretty expensive. Oh my goodness. It is an Alex and Ani set actually, and it has Wally and Eve, and it says, I will follow you to the stars. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. And then of course it says Disney Parks exclusive. Yeah, this retailed for $80. So this is not cheap. I mean, normally an Alex and Ani bracelet, like a Disney Parks one, is like $40, $45. So when you buy two of them, it's definitely gonna be $80. Yeah, it's double the price. So there's two different ones, and you can see that they're linked right now by this, but there's two different bracelets technically. And this one is just the I will follow you to the stars. And the other one has Wally and Eve. Oh my God, I love this.
That's pretty good.
This is perfect. And I needed more silver Alex and Ani's, didn't I? I was telling you that I needed more. I might have said that in my last Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Maybe they were watching. I don't remember. Oh my God, I absolutely love this. Yay!
A total of 3 items was in this box. And whenever you order your box from Bibbidi Bobbidi Box, you have the ability to choose either quality or quantity. So since this is the ultimate box, I could have chose quantity and got a bunch of smaller things, whereas Alyssa chose quality, so we got more high dollar things for that.
Or you can say surprise me. I think I actually put surprise me where some months it might be more value, more items, and other months it might be just more expensive but less items. We actually, the first Bibbidi Bobbidi box that we ever got was an Ultimate Magic.
Okay.
And we did the value where we got a lot of different things. So we'll leave that video down below. It's like it's very early on our channel, but we'll leave our Bibbidi Bobbidi playlist link down below so you can see all the other different boxes.
But it's time to look at the spoiler sheet. So the Disney Traditions by Jim Shore Pooh and Piglet handmade Valentine's figurine retails for $45.
So beautiful.
Disney Parks exclusive Alex and Ani, Wally and Eve retails for $79.99, as Alyssa said.
Expensive.
And Basin Small Disney Soaps retails for $5. So that brings the total retail value to $129.99. And how much does this box cost?
This box retails for $119. So we definitely got more bang for our buck, for sure. And these are all items that I can use in real life.
Yes.
I definitely also put in my preferences that like we are adults and we want practical items. And these were literally all practical items. I will wear this bracelet to work tomorrow.
I will use this soap tomorrow.
And this is gonna go in our background. I mean, I love that this is Valentine's Day themed, but this is totally gonna be up in our background all spring.
It's all about love.
So Oh my gosh, I'm just absolutely obsessed with this. This was such a good box. Thank you so much to Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes for sending us this amazing box. I'm sure Garrett can't wait to open his. He gets to open his right after this, so he's looking forward to it.
Go ahead and check out Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. Use code the Leffersons to get $7 off your first box, and that lets them know that, hey, you came from us.
And it's amazing because they customize to your preferences. So like if you want a Disney box straight from the parks, amazing merch, literally you need to get this box. It is absolutely amazing if you are a Disney lover, or if you're a Harry Potter lover, you'll have to stay tuned for the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what your favorite item was, or let us know what you got in your Bibbidi Bobbidi box this month.
If you have any questions about Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, comment down below. We'll be sure to answer them. The gals that work there that own it are amazing.
And we'll be able to answer any of your questions that you guys have about it. And subscribe to our channel for more Disney content.
And a little bit of Harry Potter too.
Yes, that's true. Coming next. See you guys soon. Bye.
See you later. Questions about Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes, leave it down below in the box, and we'll box the answers to you.
Why can't you talk?
Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes.
No.
Okay.
I don't even remember what you were supposed to say.
I got it.